everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys my updated wash routine from start to finish.
Young Savage, why you trapping?
So now I'm just drenching my hair with water and basically like parting it. So I just want my hair to be really drenched as possible before I go in with the shampoo that I use, which is the Daily Hydration Shampoo by Shea Moisture, and the deep conditioner is from Aussie Moist. So I've already washed my hair about 3 days ago prior to this, so I'm not gonna shampoo again. All I'm gonna do is deep condition, but for regular wash day routine I would go in with the shampoo. And now I'm just parting my hair before, as you can see.
This until I pull up on them, slap them out with a fight. Went to mama house, went to grandma house, keep shooting this and somebody die. So many shots, the nigga looked at the calendar, thought it was 4th of July. You was with your friends playing Nintendo, I was playing around with that fire. 7th grade, I got caught with a pistol, sent me to Pantherville. 8th grade, started playing football, then I was like, fuck the field. 9th grade, I was knocking niggas out, nigga like Holyfield. Fast forward, nigga 2016, and I'm screaming, fuck a deal. Bad bitch with me, she so thick, I don't even need a pill. I listened to your raps, thought you was hard, you ain't even street for real. Niggas love sneak dissing on Twitter, they don't want to be for real. And all these niggas play like they tough, till a nigga get killed, till a nigga get spilled, till your blood get spilled. I'ma at your favorite rapper, shoot him like a John Deere. I've been with you since day one, Savage, I ain't even hate. So what's up with all that Instagram shit? Savage just playing. Y'all pussy niggas fake. Bitch, I hang around them Haitian. Pull up on you, tie your kids up, pistol whip you while your bitch naked. Come on, man, Savage, you know I always play your bitch too. Yeah, nigga, fuck all that. Ask your bitch how my dick taste. Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why these niggas capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling out these rappers hard? Cause these niggas pussy and them hard. I turn it fucking soft to some hard. I grew up in the streets without no heart. I'm praying to my Glock in my car. So much dope that it broke the scale. They say crack kills, nigga, my crack sells.
Hey guys, so now you just see me putting a shower cap. Well, you can use your shower cap or a plastic bag, and I'm just basically gonna sit under the dryer for about 15 to 30 minutes. Usually I do 30 minutes.
Niggas acting like groupies, they don't know what. Little do they know they bitches fucking on the tour.
Hey guys, so I just washed out all the deep conditioner, and now I'm just dividing my hair in 4 sections.
Why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling out these rappers' cars? Cause these niggas pussy and them hard. I turn it fucking soft to some hard.
Alright guys, so now I'm just going to be doing my wash and go routine. Basically dividing this section into 2 and spraying it down with leave-in, going in with my gels, and this time I actually decided to put some growth oil on my roots, which you're going to see me do in a moment. It's just a whole bunch of oils. I think castor oil, rosemary, tea tree, peppermint, just olive oil, coconut oil, a whole bunch of them. And I just put that on my roots. So yeah, that's basically it.
Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why these niggas capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage?
Alright guys, that's basically the end of my wash routine. And I think I did this all in using 5 products. Usually I don't do oils, but I've realized my hair needs oils. I don't know who I was and what I was thinking, but yeah. Anyway, I'm so glad you guys enjoyed. I don't know if you guys enjoyed, but if you did, I'm glad you did. Anyway, this is just me showing the products that I use. Of course, you need your water too. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.
Went to mama house, went to grandma house, keep shooting this and somebody die. So many shots, the neighbor looked at the calendar, thought it was 4th of July. You was with your friends playing